will now be recorded.
So, yeah, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Last class we discussed differences between the list, tuple, and set, dictionary. The same time, we will be having a print formatting methods. There are different kind of print formats. The one is the concatenation way. The another one is the dot format method and specifiers.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, I already uploaded the videos in the YouTube. At the same time, I shared all the content with your email IDs, that Google Drive, so you can check it out. All the content already uploaded. Next, today we will discuss a very important concept called operators. Okay, in any programming language, basically operators are most important thing. Same way, in Python also there are different kind of operators which are going to be available. We try to see what are the different kind of operators which are available in Python. The one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. And the second one is logical operators. Logical operators. Yeah. Yeah. And one more is um, relational operators. Relational operators. And one more is increment decrement operators. Increment decrement operators. One more is concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. The one more is special operators like special operators exclusively in Python. Special operators that is called membership operators. Membership operators. So these are the most important operators which are going to be available in Python. So we will see one by one. The first one is arithmetic operators. This is very simple, straightforward. Everybody know how arithmetic operators can perform. Okay. So there are different kind of arithmetic operators. The one is plus. Plus is what? Addition. The one more is minus. Minus is for subtraction. And the one more is star. Star is for multiplication. And one more is slash. Slash for division. And one more is double slash for floor division. And one more is percentile. Percentile is modulus operator. This is for reminder. This is called a modulus operator. Modulus operator. And one more is double star. Double star is power operator. Power operator. Okay. So we try to understand one by one all the operators. We try to understand one by one all the operators. The first one is addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, remainder, modulo division, and power operator. Okay, let me take two numbers. Okay, 3 plus 5. So plus is working as a concatenation operator here. So it is connecting to the cloud now. Yeah, plus is working as addition. And when we work with the two numbers, first of all, what is operator? Operator is a symbol. Let me tell you what is operator. Let me write down here. What is operator? Operator is a symbol. Is a symbol which will perform. Which will perform operation on operands. Operation on operands. Which will perform any kind of operation. operation on operands. What is operator? What is operand? What is operator? What is operand? For example, there is a 3 plus 5. So here plus is operator, and 3 comma 5 are operands. 3 comma 5 are operands. Getting my point? Operator is a symbol which will perform operation on operands. One or more operands. One or more operands. One or more operands. So when I say 3 plus 5, in 3 plus 5, plus is the operator and 3 comma 5 are operands. That is a simple point you have to remember. That is a simple point you people have to remember. Now let me go to the 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, and here one operation is performing, that is called addition. Okay, let me go down. Now I am having a 5 minus 2, simply 3. Subtraction, 45 into 78. Multiplication, 76 divided by 5. This is something like a division, 15.2. 15.2. This is something like division. Okay, the same thing I want to work with 76 by double slash 2. Then you get only floor value. What is the floor value? Sorry, let me give the 5. Let me give the 5. Only floor value will come. So here 76 divided by 5, 15.2 came. 76 double slash 5, only 15 came. There is no floor value. Okay, only floor value. There is no seal value. Only floor value. There is no seal value. That is a concept which is working like a floor division. And one more operator called let me take a 79 percentile 5. Okay, so 79 percentile 5. 5 will go in 79. How many times? How many times? How many times, sir?
15
Hands up.
times.
15 times.
5 is 75.
Yeah, 4 is the
The
remainder.
remainder.
4 is the remainder. We will get only remainder value when we work with percentile. That is what actually the operator is. And one more operator, power operator. Let me go 2 to the power of 3. We know 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And when we give the bigger number also, it will work out. 34 to the power of 6. It will give the bigger number. Bigger number. So power operator which is working fine in Python. And there is a complex thing. So for example, 2 plus 3 or 2 minus 3 or 2 minus 24 minus 3 plus 56 minus 4. When we have this kind of concept, how this will work out? When we have this kind of concept, how it will work out? What is the
Using
operator?
Bodmer's rule.
Yeah,
Parenthesis first.
it will follow Bodmer's rule. It will follow Bodmer's rule basically. Okay, so these are the basic fundamentals. In 6th class, 5th class, we know this Bodmer's rule. Okay, brackets first, then opponents of powers, then divisions, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first of all, brackets will perform. Brackets will perform. So 24 minus 3, which is something like 21, it will perform like 21 plus 56 minus 4, it is 52. So finally the value is 73. That is the way when we have the bigger statements also, when we have a bigger statements also, you can perform like this. Okay, even program will perform like this. Program will follow Bodmer's rule. What this Bodmer's rule is, brackets first preference, then opponents nothing but powers, then we will be having divisions, then we will be having then multiplication, yeah, multiplication, then we will be having addition, then we will be having a subtraction. Finally subtraction. So these are the rules actually. When we have the bigger lines like this, you try to do practice with multiple things, multiple statements. I am just giving one statement. For example, you do practice with multiple statements over there. It will work out in the same way. Yes. Let me go one by one. Next operator is what? Logical operator. This is important. Logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operators are logical and comma logical are logical not. Okay, in other programming languages, logic end is different. In Python, logic end is different. Logical end is different. First of all, you need to understand the end table, R table, and not table. What is the end table? Logical end. Logical gates, you know, na?
Yeah. When both are true, it is true.
Logical end. Let me go with the logical end first. True and true. True and true. Okay, in other programming languages, it is something like this one. But Python, A and D operator. A and D. True and true. Final output is true. True and false. Obviously, this will be false. False and true. False and true. This will be false only. And false and false. False only. Okay. Finally, end of the day, we need to understand is what? End of the day, we need to understand is what? If both statements are true, if both statements are true, both statements are true, then only, then output is true. Then output is true. Otherwise false. This is basically logical end, guys. This is basically logical end. Okay, let me take in the next line. This is about logical end. Let me try about the logical end the same way. So for example, 4 greater than 5 and 5 less than 7. What is the statement here? 4 greater than 5. It is true or false?
True. Sorry,
4,
false.
4, 4, 4,
False.
false. Okay, false. And then 5 less than 7.
True.
True. False and true. False and true. What is the output?
False.
False
False.
and true. False and true. False only, na? So that will be the output. False only. Okay, let me have one more thing. Here, AND operator is like this. Okay, one more point I just want to write down here. In other programming languages, logical AND will be this symbol. In Python programming language, logical AND will be AND only. A and D AND. This is the one. Okay, let me keep the quotes here. This is the symbol and this is the keyword. Okay, so here AND operator is A and D AND only. There is no double ampersand symbol like this, double dollar symbol. What is ampersand symbol? Okay, let me go with one more line. One more thing I want to show you. 45 greater than 56. Sorry, 5 and 45 or 4 less than 5. Now tell me, first statement is
True.
true and second statement is also
True.
true. If both are true,
True.
obviously true, na?
Yes.
Okay, so output will be true. That is a logical AND. So you can check it out how the logical AND is working here. You can check it out. N number of practices you can do how the logical AND is working over there. Now let me go to the logical R. Now let me go to the logical R. Logical R. Logical R. Okay. So how the logical R is working? True or true. Output will be true.
True.
Exactly. And true or false.
True.
True. False or true.
True.
True. Bad recording session is recording or not? Yeah. Then false or false.
False.
Exactly. So this is the one thing you
So
need to
this is the
understand
one.
here. Please mute yourself. And here the point is, if any one of the statement is true, if any one of the statement is true, if any one of the statement is true, output is true. If any one of the statement is true, output is true. Okay, that is a important case you have to understand. Let me write down a simple point here. 67 greater than say 5, or operator should be like this. Okay, one more point I want to write. In other programming languages, in other programming languages, uh, logical R will be what? This one. But in Python programming language, logical R is R only. Okay, R only. Okay, so that you need to understand. So in other programming language, let me keep the codes here, then you can understand. This is a special here, and here also this is a special. The symbol is, the keyword is R. Okay, 67 greater than 5 or 45 greater than 98. Okay, first one is true, or second one is false. True or false? What is output, guys?
True.
True only. True only. Okay, R, we are working with R now. We are working with R. Okay, so let me go. There is a one thing. Logical not. Not means not only. The operator is not. Logical not. You practice with other areas. Logical not. Logical not is something like not. The symbol is not. Okay, how to work out with this? If true, it will give false. Okay, 4 greater than 5. I'm saying, or 4. Okay, so 4 not 4. Okay, so not like this. I can say 4 double equal to 4. This is false. 4 double equal to 4. 4 not equal to 4. 4 not equal to 4. Okay, my statement is what? 4 not equal to 4. Is it true or false? I am saying that 4 not equal to 4. Is this true or
False.
false?
False, actually.
Hmm?
False. False.
No, 4 not equal to 4. True. Why? Because this is a string. This is a number. This is a number. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes.
There is no not operator, I think so. This is just like this. This is 4 not equal to 4. Not equal to. Hmm. Let me go with one more kind of operator. Please mute. Relational operators. It's very important. Relational operators. Relational operators. What are that? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. That's all actually. And one more. Plus equal to and minus equal to. This kind of thing are not logical. This is something like yeah, relation only. Okay. Star equal to, slash equal to, and double slash equal to, percentile equal to, and power equal to. Like this you can able to work out. Okay, so how less than symbol, all these symbols are very simple, you can understand very easily. Okay, one by one I will write down. 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3, it will be true, that is a less than symbol. And 56 greater than 34, that is true. And let me give 55 less than or equal to 55. 1 second guys, I will attempt the call. Okay, clear, huh? 55 less than or equal to 55. When I say 55 less than or equal to 55, true. Why? Because of less than, okay, but equal to is working, na? Less than or equal to, r equal to means both are equal to. That is the very reason it is true. The same time, 44 or 33 greater than or equal to 33. Anyway, equal to is working. That is giving true. Okay, and one more thing. 12 plus equal to 1 or plus equal to 2. Then what is output, guys? Sorry, equal to plus, huh? Okay, what is the operator here? Plus equal to only. Okay, something like a number. I'm defining a number equal to 12. Number equal to 12. Then num plus equal to 2. Then find out the number. 14. This is correct. Okay. You need to store into the variable. Okay. Num plus equal to 2. So incrementing by 2. Your number is 12. Incrementing by 2. And your number is 12. Incrementing by 21. 35. Okay. Your number is already 35. Number decremented by 23. Decremented by 23. Then find out the number. 12. And it is actually multiplying. Number multiplying with 4. 12 fours are 48. Okay, the same time number slash equal to 5. So 45 slash equal to 5, so dividing with 5. Okay, something like 9.6. And this number double slash equal to 2, just like that. Okay, oh my god, I need to execute the number. Okay, fine. Number, okay, 2.0. The number percentile, I don't have a bigger thing here. Let me improve the thing. Number star equal to 6 number. I want to improve the number. Okay, this is the number now. Okay, I need to give the percentile for this. Okay, number percentile equal to 3. 3 is already going. 4 is also going. 5. Let me give the 5. It will give you the remainder 2.0. It's fine. Now let us go with the power operator. Number power equal to 4. Then find out the number. So simply you can able to work out like this. Okay. And one more operator. Arithmetic operators done. Logical operators done. And concatenation done. Sorry, relational done. Increment, decrement, concatenation, and membership. Increment, decrement operator we will see. Increment, decrement operators we will see. Okay, increment, decrement operators. Increment or decrement operators. There are two things. For example, number is equal to. So we already done this increment operator. Num plus is equal to 1. Plus is equal to 1. Then find out the number. Number is 2. Plus equal to 1 is 3. This is incrementing by 1. This is the increment operator. But in other programming language, increment operator is anybody?
Plus plus.
Yes, is plus plus. But here in Python, plus 1. Sorry, plus is equal to. Plus is equal to. That is the increment operator. And come to the decrement operator. Same.
But Mohansh, this plus is equals to is already covered in relational also, right?
Yeah, they are also covered. But again, there is a concept like in other programming languages, there is a concept like increment decrement operator. That is the why reason. Again, here I am telling. Okay, so then number. So you have the output 2. This is working like in condition in loops and all. This is important. See, when you working with the loops, and this is important. That is the very reason. Separately, I am telling this increment decrement operator. But the same operator you can call as a relational operator also. Here there is the relation, right? In the relation, I am not giving 1. I am giving 5, 6, 10 also. That will work out. But increment decrement operator, you have to work out with the only one only. Why? Because in loops, incrementing by the index, decrementing by the index. That is the very reason. Again, I am telling this operator is important, and plus is equal to, minus is equal to. That's it. And in loops, this is important. And come to the one more operator, concatenation operator. We already know about the concatenation operator. We already seen concatenation operator. This concatenation operator is simply plus. Plus is working as concatenation operator. Plus is working as concatenation operator when we have any one of the operand is string data. Any one of the operand is string data, then plus is working as concatenation operator. For example, 2 plus Mohansh. Now plus is working as what? There is a number, there is a string. I told one simple point here. Plus is working as concatenation operator when we have any one of the operand is string data. Any one of the operand is string data. So here I have two operands. One is the 2, one is the Mohansh. Now plus is working as what? Concatenation. Obviously plus is working as concatenation operator. So type error. Okay, concatenation operator in the point of concatenation operator. So you cannot able to concatenate directly. That is the one important thing. You cannot able to concatenate directly. I need to convert this 2 into string. Yes. Then only it will concatenate. Not now too much. Here in the Python, directly concatenation not possible, but this is possible in the JavaScript. In JavaScript, type conversion no needed. In other programming languages, type conversion, I don't think so. Other programming languages also conversion needed, but JavaScript conversion no needed. Directly, when you give 2 plus Mohansh, obviously output is 2 Mohansh. But in Python, it is very strict. You need to please convert into the string. I will accept string plus string only. String is the first preference. String is the first preference here. Am I clear? Why? Because of I cannot convert this into the integer. Mohansh cannot convert into the integer. That is not possible. But one case, for example, 2 plus 2 plus 2. In this case, you can convert. In this case, you can convert this one into the integer. It is possible, na? In this case, you can convert this into the integer. Okay, then 2 plus 2 is 4. Then it is working as not concatenation operator. It is working as arithmetic operator. It is working as arithmetic operator. Why? Because of 2 is an integer, and again we are converting this 2 into the integer. Integer plus integer, integer only. Then it is working as arithmetic operator. Okay. So concatenation here in this case, plus is working as concatenation operator, but we need to follow the rule. But all operands, first cast into string. Cast into string. But all operands first cast into string. Then only concatenation will work. Then only concatenation will work. Directly cannot work. That we need to remember.
Mohansh, in another way, all the operands should be in a string, right?
Yeah, that is also there. If all the operands are strings, that will be done directly. No
No, no,
cast.
I mean, the conclusion is all the operands should be a string, even though if we use conversion or else a direct string.
Direct string. Hello, all. Good morning. Hello, all. Good morning. So what
Uh,
I'm
I mean,
telling,
I mean to say the first statement, whatever you have mentioned, right? At least
hmm,
one of the operand should be string.
yeah.
Yeah,
If any one of the operand string, then plus is working as concatenation. Here plus is working as concatenation. That is clear. Okay. Plus is working as concatenation here. Why? Because of some string is available here. You have to cast all the things into the string only. You have to cast all your other operands into the string only. So I casted 2 into the string na.
understood, Mohansh.
Confusing na. Still confusing na. Now
No, but the
this
string
one.
is
Hi,
no.
tell me.
Mm.
No, Mohan. What in the first statement you are mentioning like any one of the operand is string means Mohan is already string. Then it can take two as also a string, right? We are
No,
casting
no,
it
no,
as
no,
a
no, no.
string.
That is the very reason I given the note point. But all the operands first cast into the string, then only it will work out. In other programming languages, directly it will concat, but in Python it will directly cannot concat. But all operands first cast into the string, then only concatenation will work. First of all, plus is working as concatenation operator. If any string find, that is okay. Second point, you need to cast all the things into the strings only. These two are the important points actually you have to remember. Here plus will work as concatenation, that is fine. But there is a rule. What is the rule? But all operands first cast into the string, then only concatenation will work. Directly it will not work out. For
Like
example,
string of two plus string of two plus Mohansh means four Mohansh we will get.
no, no, no. Two Mohans will get.
Okay, two Mohansh.
Oh, okay. I
Okay.
will show. I will show. String that is already converting into the string. Two Mohans. So first of all, you have to understand what is the type of the data. What is the type of the data when converted two into the string?
Yes, correct, correct,
That is string. String plus string plus string. String only.
correct,
Two
correct.
Mohans. that in the case of JavaScript, let me tell you in the JavaScript way. Let me inspect. Okay, this is basically JavaScript. I'm trying to working for you. This is JavaScript basically. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 22. Can you see, observe here? What is happening in JavaScript? In JavaScript, what is happening? First 2 is the integer. Second 2 is a string. It is not asking me, please cast the first 2 into the string. It is not asking me.
Correct.
Directly it is converting. Directly it is casting to. Directly the plus is working as concatenation operator. In the same case, 2 plus 2, 4. It is giving 4. Finally. And 2 plus 3 plus Mohansh. When I say like this, it will give obviously what is this 2 plus 3 5 it is working like first operator. First it is working as addition, then it is working as concatenation. In the flow it is actually following the operator precedence like left to right, so 2 plus 3 is 5, then 5 plus Mohansh, 5 Mohansh is coming. This is the JavaScript, the flexible programming. Then the same thing I will say something like Mohansh, here I am giving Mohansh, here I am giving 2 plus Mohansh, then here I am giving 3, 2 Mohansh 3. Okay, in this case, this is JavaScript. Directly you can able to work out however you want. But in Python, it will not go like that. Mohansh plus 2 plus 5. Mohansh, this time it is not working. First string preference. First operator is string, na? First operator is string. Mohansh plus 2 is Mohansh 2. Mohansh 2, Mohansh 2 cannot go with the addition.
Correct.
Already this here 2 plus
Three.
3 is okay, fine, 5. But here already string is Mohansh 2. Mohansh 2 taken. Mohansh 2
Yes.
taken. First operator worked. Mohansh 2 taken. Mohansh 2 plus 5 means obviously it will go for concatenation. It will not go for addition.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So that is the way of working with concatenation. I hope
Thanks.
everybody clear. This is JavaScript basically. I am just trying to writing for you JavaScript. Okay. Let me go. The finally relation membership operators. I want to go with the membership operators. Membership operators. Membership operators. Okay, membership operators. There are different kind of membership operators. There is one thing called and in. Is and in. Okay. So what is this membership operator is? Okay, let me go. A is A. A is A. A is A. False, na? Why? Because this is a small letter. This is the capital letter. Okay, so better what Python is actually telling to me. Did you mean? Did you mean double equal to? Did you mean double equal to? There is something like a comparison. So one more. Sorry, this is equality operator. Okay, membership you can check with you are asking me like a double equal to. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead with the double equal to. Then you cannot get the warning. Python recommending instead of using the is operator, you directly go with the equality operator like a double equal to. False. Getting my point? 2 double equal to 2. I'm checking the equality. First 2 is the integer, second 2 is a string. Sorry, these two are actually false. This is the statement you are saying that false. But is operator also you can use. 2 is to 2 is to. I'm asking 2 is to. I'm asking Python. 2 is to. It is saying that no, it is false basically. But syntax warning is coming when you go with the is operator. Better you can go with the double equal to, it is telling. But it is not error. It is not error. Is working. It is not error. Instead of using the is operator, you can go with the double equal to. It is actually recommending us. Am I clear? Then one more operator, in operator. In operator. Okay, let me tell you the in operator. A in Mohansh. A in Mohansh. A in Mohansh. Just tell me, A is available in the Mohansh or not?
Available.
True. Obviously true. Okay, let me tell you. A in Mohansh. Now,
False. False.
obviously. Okay, I'm just telling something like Sirisha in uh, Ramya, Suma, Sirisha, Lata. Okay, here, what is the output, guys?
True.
True. Yes, obviously. Now I'm asking just like capital Sirisha. It's
False.
false. Something like that. Something like that. So this is something like membership operator. These are the different kind of membership operators which are available in Python. Hope you got to
All
understand.
membership operators only in Python or else in other languages also it is there.
It is available in only Python. Other programming languages, membership is not there.
Okay.
Okay, there is a program you need to write for that. Okay, so membership operator is the special operator in Python. You can work out with this, and you try to open your ChatGPTs and practice for assignments on these operators. Give me, let me just say, give me some programs for Python operators. Give me some program for Python operators. You just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you some programs. Oh my God, it is giving arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, bitwise no need actually. Identity or equality we already done. Membership. That's all. Okay, just give me some. Uh, what kind of thing you want? Real time examples. You try to do practice like this. Hmm? Real time examples or real time scenarios. Real time scenarios. You me for operators. You practice like this. Why? Because of when you go to the interview, you know the subject, okay, fine, but they will ask you scenarios. They will ask you scenarios. That is the why reason you can go with the different kind of scenarios. Okay, so the first one is the salary tax calculation. This is already we know. Already we done this. And comparison operator, student result evaluation. Anyway, we did not completed the conditions. After conditions, you can able to understand. And the logical, some username is there and password is there, some kind of. Okay. After this loops and conditions, you can able to work out with the multiple things. And one more, discount calculation, network permission, and object reference check, and data search. Oh, super. This is the way you can do practice with operators. This is the way you can do practice with operators. Any questions so far till now on operators? Mostly I given all the operators with a clear explanation and clear examples. And let me save the document. This document automatically come to your drive. I already shared the total collaborators with you. I will show. I already shared. Everybody seen? Anybody till now not received emails? Please let me know. Anybody not received notes? Till anybody not given the email IDs? How many people are there in the session? Govinda Babu, you given the email ID. Prakash, you given the email ID. Ramya, you given the email ID. Rohit, you were given. Sai, Ichava. Sindhuja, you given your email ID. Anybody not given email ID? Sai is giving today. Okay.
I
I
have
will keep.
given, but I didn't receive any email.
Provide one more time. I did not have Sindhuja, Ramya.
Yes, sir.
Who is talking?
Sai, sir. Sai.
Sai, I will give you now today, and some girl is talking.
Ramya mentioned she gave
Ramya,
the.
okay, Ramya, I will give you. Okay, these two people I will share today. Remaining people, okay, na? Received, ah?
Yeah, received Mohansh.
Received, sir.
Okay, I need to give to the Ramya and I need to give to the Sai. Sai, where is your email ID? Sorry, 1 second. 1 second.
Last second one. You
This one.
copied her.
Yeah, that's one. This one, na? Oh, Ramya is also given. Okay, I will share for these two email IDs right now. Okay, let me go to the drive.
And it's sitting in the spam folder, just for information.
It seems I don't think so. So collaboratory already saved, and I'm sharing the collaboratory with you people. First of all, I need to give the collaboratories. Okay, so collapse, and I am giving the two folders. Okay, Python folder I'm giving, at the same time UI folder also I'm giving. You are attending, you are not attending, I don't care. Anyway, you can follow in the YouTube channel all the videos. I will share the both notes for you. Okay, this is for Python, huh? Yeah, this is for Python notes, and this is the web notes. Even I will give you the web notes. Yeah, even I will give you the web notes also for both people. For all the people, I given all the folders, whatever we done so far. This is the UI, HTML, CSS, JS notes. And one announcement, guys. On October 20th, Diwali Day, we are starting two exclusive programs. Two exclusive programs. It's a big bomb blast. 45 days, Marna full stack free. Marna full stack free with good real-time examples. And one more real 45 days Python full stack. Python full stack free. Bomb blast. And Marna full stack with AI. With ML AI. ML AI. And 45 days Python full stack with ML AI. Big bomb blast for industry. We are ready to give the bomb blast for the industry. These two sessions we are actually starting, and this session will go 11 to 12, and this session will go 12 to 1 on October 20th, Diwali Day. Just a small announcement. Okay, share with your friends this information.
Was just one info required. These two are required for developing people, or else for testing also it will.
These two are only for full stack developers. Full
Okay.
stack developers who want to shape their career as a full stack developer, a programmer, front end back end developers. Then like a kind of a Facebook application, like a kind of Amazon kind of application, shopping cart applications. There are bigger applications which are available in the industry, no? SBA.com, okay, Flipkart.com, Mintra.com, Bookmyshow.com. That kind of applications, these people can do.
Okay.
They are developers.
Okay.
Okay,
Is there
so
any session going on for testing people?
no session for testing is not available. So we don't focus on the old technologies, sir. We are going with emerging technologies only. Mohan's actually targeting for the industry, and you people know that full stack people are actually charging like 40,000, 50,000, even 1 lakh also, Madhapur, 1 lakh also. But we don't want like that. We are actually blasting the things, and these two sessions are actually starting. Inform your friends if anyone is there. So that
No,
is the one small info I want to give you.
I mean to say in testing, emerging testing technologies, any emerging testing technologies.
Right now we don't focus on testing, sir. We are actually focusing on completely a programming way and a cybersecurity level, artificial intelligence level, and blockchain level.
Okay.
See, when you search in the let me search what are the emerging technologies in 2026.
True, true. I agree.
Yeah, let me tell you, Mohan's target is like this: 2026. You can search the emerging technologies. First three only we are actually focusing. We want people give some awareness. All the sessions are going to be giving free of cost. Can you see quantum computing? Quantum computing. This is giving in a different way. Okay. Quantum computing is emerging and AI is emerging and cyber security is also there. The last 2025, I believe. Emerging IT technologies. Huh? Agentic AI and augmented reality and AI governance. Okay. And this adaptive self. Maybe my search is wrong. You can search this one into the Google. Maybe my search word is wrong for the chat GPT. Yes, so you can see artificial intelligence, cyber security, quantum computing, and data instruction, and one more blockchain is also there. Blockchain he's not giving, but blockchain is also emerging technologies nowadays. Coming, this see here, quantum emerging in 2025, quantum, cyber security, blockchain, artificial intelligence. We don't generative AI also, and we don't focus on these ones, robotics, and this is something like hardware related. We don't focus on hardware related. We are actually focusing on software related.
Got it.
Yes, fine. That is what actually I want to tell you. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please provide your comments. I did not see comments, guys. Only a few people commented yesterday. Govinda Babu commented, and I think so. Only Govinda Babu commented. Remaining people not commented for the Python videos. Even you comment for the UI videos also. The live sessions, whatever we are happening with 7 a.m., 8 a.m. And please stay tuned. We'll meet tomorrow. And
Prerequisites for Marna, what are those things?
HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The
Oh,
8 a.m. batch.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So have a good day. See you signing off. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.